Babe, come on.
Do you want a house with land?
We are here at the one and only Marshall's Landing by D.R Horton.
I'm sorry, I'm always ready. I'm aware. We had the baby last night. She's not sleeping at all. Anyway, where are we? Marshall's Landing. Yes. Okay. Yes, big house.
D.R Horton.
D.R Horton. Yes. Okay. So D.R Horton. Now you know them to be a inventory builder.
Correct.
Inventory, which means they build to scale townhouses and lots of them. But today we are singing a 7,500 massive single-family home.
That's correct. And I would say, not single family, we're talking about estate-style homes, y'all.
Now be careful with that word estate. We gotta make sure we serve them in the state.
Correct.
On
I mean,
a platter.
it sits on 1.25 acres at the minimum and goes all the way up to 4 acres.
Show me what you're talking about.
This is love and real estate.
Hey, we're the DAPOs. We're married, have a family, and run a company together. We help people every day figure out this really hard and expensive thing called real estate and home ownership. Honestly, it's because buying a home was hard for us, so we became big nerds about it and wanted to explore everything about real estate and finance and how it all works. So let's see what we can learn today.
I can put some of your stuff over here in that corner, but this area, it's just enough for me. I'm just being honest.
That's not fair. All right.
Yes.
We are in the Hampton II, and this is one of D.R Horton's largest models.
Now, this house is 7,500 square feet. We're talking from top all the way to the bottom. This is a finished basement, 6 bedrooms, and every single bedroom has its own bathroom.
So we don't gotta share?
No, we would still share.
Yeah.
Owner suite still shares a bathroom. Everybody else has their own bathroom. Now, when we're talking about that multi-generation suite, because that's really important to today's purchaser, right?
Of course.
It's a true suite. It literally has its own, I wouldn't even go as far as saying wing.
Correct.
Its own moment off of the house. But I'm not gonna talk too much. We're just gonna tell you quick pricing.
Yeah, so the pricing is starting at $1.3 million, and it is very well worth it when we show you this home.
Exactly, so this is fantastic for the move-up buyer. Now, we're gonna let you enjoy. We're gonna jump off camera, and we'll see you in a sec. Guys, if you are loving this tour so far, go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe.
Yes, and don't forget, we're dropping new episodes every Sunday and now Thursdays.
Now, let's get back to the show.
So, the solarium.
Yes, a solarium. Not to be confused with a conservatory.
Okay, Miss Get It Right, Miss Interior Design.
Miss Art Director, Miss All Things Design, Miss.
Okay, we're going to get back to the video.
Please put respect on my name, thank you.
So Marshall's Landing. So where are we located? So this is right off 301. And we're actually not far from South Lake Bowie Town Center, which is a new town center that we've done a couple episodes on, but you're right in the heart of 301.
You are 35 minutes from Washington, D.C. You're right on 301, so you can get really, really close to, easy access to Crofton.
Correct.
As well.
Yeah, I mean, I like to say this is a community that offers the best of both worlds. If you're looking for privacy, if you're looking for seclusion, Marshall's Landing is your home.
I love that privacy, but also distance between houses, because that's another thing that you guys really care about. Now, we are not in the largest model. The Preston is actually the largest model, but this is still one of the largest. The difference between square foot is about 300 square feet more. So think about just more storage. Absolutely, more storage. Now this house, all the houses in Marshall's Landing are starting at 1.3. Now let's talk really, really, really fast about the utilities. So because you're sitting on an estate, all your utilities are on your land. So that means that you are going to have well water, you're going to have septic, and you're going to have propane as well. So everything is self-contained right here. So for all of those who are all about that off-the-grid life, what you're talking about, this is your home.
Now, let's take you to a moment with DAPO at home.
So this is a part of our Botanica line. I think we're calling it Gilded Botanica collection. This is going to be a collection of dining rooms and living rooms that are bold. And what I really love about DAPO at home is that we take all the risk so that you don't have to. We take all the design risk so you don't have to. You don't have to buy furniture and then you realize, oh my God, it doesn't fit the room, or it looks weird, or the whole 9 yards. And then you're ending up taking it back, or you just turn around and hate it. So by browsing our collections, you'll find the collection that fits you the best. I was inspired by the Marshall Landing home in its entirety, but what I really loved was their use of dark tones. But dark tones are really tough to work with if you don't know what you're doing, and so I was excited to explore it with my own design here in this dining room. This is to fit the Marshall's Landing dining room, but it also can fit any 12 by 18 dining room. So I'm super excited to share more, and we'll talk more about it on Thursday.
Ciao. I'm not sure if it's a shower or a runway. Did you guys enjoy that design?
I mean, from the design to the home, I mean, I was pleasantly surprised, babe.
Oh my gosh. And what I really love, outside of all the pricing and structure and things like that, the thing I love the most with this home, which we demonstrated in the design, is the use of darkness. How dark doesn't necessarily mean compact, but you have to be really careful and balanced when using dark, like blacks and things of that nature. And because it's coming back hard. Okay. All right. Well, anyhow, let's end this video.
Yeah, that's gonna wrap our video. But before we end, we want you guys to like, subscribe, and also on the link below, if you want to take a tour of Marshall Landing,
with us, because y'all are getting tricky. Yeah, see my videos. No, I'm gonna get it off my chest. See my videos. And then you go tour it by yourself, and then something happens along the way and you don't even purchase because you're confused. I give you everything on a silver platter. Even now I'm designing the house for you. Make sure you hit the design. The design, yes, please hit that. But also the calendar to get in so that you can get someone to hold your hand through this process. Yes. I'm saying that nicely, not in my mommy voice. Okay?
All right, well, that's it. My name is AD.
My name is Amanda, and we are the DAPOs, taking you from house
to home.
Bye.